Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don start the second phase of the Christian Feeding Program CFP, where dem distribute 56,250 bags of 10 kg rice across the state 3 senatorial districts as the program dey aim to reduce the suffering of the people. Ogbonge leaders of the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN), Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria (PFN), and other Christian bodies for the state tanda for the launch event. Governor Obaseki come inspect the distribution process for the Diocese of Benin Anglican Communion Warehouse, where he for receive detailed breakdown of the rice allocation from CAN Chairman Apostle General Dr. Irekpeno Omoike. This phase dey follow the first phase wey happen 3 months ago and are part of the administration commitment to solve the food insecurity issues wey many families dey face. Obaseki come here and say the program no dey political and say na church dey drive am, and come thank the Christian leaders for their dedication to make am successful, and come also call on the federal government to learn from Edo State transparent and effective management of the Christian feeding program wey don reach over 50,000 families. E come also chook mouth on the importance of transparency, honesty and public service for government initiatives.
You were in the warehouse because you saw the transparency with which they have run this program. Compared to what the federal government claims they are spending on palliatives, this is chicken change. This is a drop in the ocean. But if we did things properly in this country, what we have will go a long way. We know there are challenges, but we are not, our current leadership, we are not helping ourselves and we are not helping Nigeria. Look at how we have run this program, and I hope the federal government will come and take a cue, because this is what I've always argued. People know what they want. We made the resources available, got them to organize themselves. They've seen the way they procured. They procured from the local markets, thereby increasing the amount of business the locals are doing. See the way they manage the transportation costs, and for what the little we've given them, see how many families, 50,000 or more families that they will reach, with what we have given. And what we're doing is just a drop compared to what the federal government claims they are doing. So it's about transparency, it's about honesty, and about willingness to serve the public good, not private interests. And that is what, the challenge is today. It's not that we don't have hardships and difficulties all over the world. The world is currently challenged. But the one solution is for government to come out clean, transparent, so that the people trust them and understand and work with government to get out of the problems we face and not play games. So it's unfortunate we're where we are, but I believe we can come out of it. And I'm pleading that we don't take actions that will make our situation worse, much worse than they are today. And in the next few days, we're going around talking to our citizens to see how do we resolve these issues, these problems we have. Let us not do things that will dig us deeper into the rot and the mess we face today.
The governor come also talk say the CFP go happen for 3 phases, say the 3rd phase dey focus on additional support measures like conditional cash transfers, skill development programs and support for agriculture, trade and microfinance. E come urge the people say make them avoid actions wey fit worsen the current situation and encourage them to collaborate with government to overcome challenges.
The first phase was to just get people to trust us that this program is real. And it took a while, they managed it well, and launched the first phase and understood what to do. With this second phase, they're now correcting some of the mistakes that the challenges they experienced during the first phase. And the trust has now been built. People now know that, particularly in the areas where the most vulnerable live, where the poorest live, that is a transparent way to reach them, identify them, and give them some sustenance through this palliative.
The summary of the allocation now: 21,875 bags to Edo South, 15,625 bags to Edo Central, and 18,750 bags to Edo North, where make the total amount of 10 kg bags of rice be 56,250 bags for the 3 senatorial districts. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.